Everything you do, you have to touch a computer some way, shape, or form. Moving to automation and getting things a little bit faster and easier.
The world would be a much slower pace.
Yeah, a lot of inefficiencies, a lot of lost people without their GPS, so yeah.
I was the IT person for my family. Anyone has an issue with his cell phone or his laptop would approach me and ask me how to do this, how to fix this, and this is where it came that I found out that I'm passionate about IT.
I'm a big believer that you learn by doing. We could sit in class all day, lecture, but if you're physically in class, mentally somewhere else, that will not help you as a student. So the easiest way to do this is to make sure that they're participating in class through the hands-on activities. One of the things that I go through is go over the course syllabus and start identifying the common course outcomes that we have and how it would apply when they're actually getting a job doing this for a living. So I encourage my students to get a job before they graduate, and I have a good success rate of students finishing their 2-year degree and they're already getting a job and doing this for a living.
I've found that OCC is very effective at teaching their students applicable technology. It was a wonderful surprise to find that we could take an OCC student right out of the classroom and they not only have the book knowledge but the hands-on knowledge as well in order to be effective almost day one.
You're learning technology and technology gets outdated really fast. We always change our curriculum to make sure that we're staying up to date with what the market is actually in need for.
CIOs will tell you that their biggest struggle is finding suitable talent to fill their needs. We decided to develop a program called the Academy Model in order to solve our own problem.
I'm part of the Academy model at Secure24 by making all the information that you need documented and available so you can request a time from your manager or your supervisor to work on your objectives.
What we do is we take entry-level individuals and we give them a program. It's 12 different objectives, and then there's various different growth opportunities within those objectives. They want to make sure that you're a well-rounded technologist, so it can be networking, database, etc.
And once you're done with them, you get hired and you get a raise. So you are the only one who decides when you will get promoted.
Before we look outside for external employees, we look internally to see if we can grow somebody into that role. They come into Secure24 with this hunger, and then just given all the information, it's almost natural for them to grow and develop very, very quickly here.
Once I got into college, I liked the environment, and my family encouraged me to get a degree and then pursue a master and PhD.
We would like to keep you forever here at Secure24. However, people want to see demonstrated successes, including diplomas, certifications, etc. So I would always say if you have the desire to go back to school, go back to school.
We do have certificates, we do have a 2-year degree, but that's where it doesn't end there. Actually, this is just the beginning. Continue on with your education. That's the best advice that I'll give to students.
Get the hardware, play around with it, see if it's something that you really, really want to do. So I think it's probably one of the most exciting fields that we have, just because it's never going to be stagnant, so you'll never be bored.
Never give up, since you're going to be troubleshooting most of the day. So never give up, just keep working at it until it works.